Used to. The verb used to is a modal verb. We use this modal verb to talk about habits or repeated actions in the past which we don't do in the present. We also use it to talk about states in the past which are no longer true. Used to is used in the same form with all the subjects as follows. Now, let's see how to form a sentence with used to. The affirmative sentence form. We start with the subject plus used to plus verb in the base form. For example, I used to have long hair, but actually now I have short hair. Another example, they used to live in India, but now they live in Germany. Jerry always used to go for a run before breakfast, but actually now he stopped this habit. Unlike the other modal verbs, used to is only found in the past tense. Therefore, when it's used with the auxiliary verb do to make negatives or questions, the form of the auxiliary verb is always did. For example, in order to form the negative sentence while using used to, I have to start with subject plus didn't plus used to plus verb in the base form. For example, I didn't used to sleep very well, but then I started doing yoga and it really helps. Another example, I didn't used to like broccoli when I was younger, but I love it now. Now, let's see how to form the question sentence. We start with did plus subject plus used to plus verb in the base form. For example, did you used to come here as a child? Did he used to study French? If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, follow, and share it with your friends. Goodbye.